Hey, Charlie.
Mm-hmm.
What is it that's not exactly water, and it ain't exactly earth?
Quicksand! Oh, quicksand. Now we are in trouble.
They in trouble.
Get your rope, Bethel. Get over there, quick.
Right, Mr. Taggart.
That's anything that was lucky. Doggone near lost a $400 hand cart. Yeah, we can take it right off to just a little bit to the left.
The work here is done. I'm needed elsewhere now.
Bye, baby, bro.
Keep the faith, brothers!
Where are you headed, cowboy?
Nowhere special.
Nowhere special. I always wanted to go there.
Come on.